Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make an F button in Blender. Now we have to select the button face, move it up for a bit, and then scale it. Then choose this edge, move it down, and it should be just fine. Then we have to turn on this thingy and press Ctrl R and scroll the wheel. Now select this edge, push it down for a bit, and you can once again scroll the wheel. Feel free to experiment. Now select these edges, press Ctrl B, and once again scroll the wheel. Now do the same thing with the top ones, and then we have to go to the object properties, select shade smooth, then go to the vertex settings and select our smooth, and now it's really smooth. Now plug these faces in order to create a blank space. At this point we have to center our 3D cursor by pressing Shift S, just like that. Now press a Ctrl R and create a grid. Now select faces in shape of any letter or character you want. In this tutorial I'll select an F button, but you can do whatever you want. Now we have to go to the random mode and select a material. Whatever color you choose, it doesn't matter. I guess I'll turn down specular, and then we create a new material for an F color, just like that. Then create a cylinder, scale it down, just like that, and then press C to extrude. Then center your cursor and create a cube. Oops. Create a cube, scale it, then scale it one more time, scale it two more times, and it should be fine. Now go to the modifiers tab, select boolean, select a cube, and assign it, just like that. Now do the same thing but 90 degrees by z-axis. Now you should see the cross, and our key is done. At this point you can do whatever you want. You can create a keyboard, you can create a keyboard. You can also create an additional keys like an A or E, but F is better. You can press it, and I guess thanks for watching. Good luck. Don't forget to press like, subscribe. Good luck.